Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Do not use or share cookies to access someone else's Netflix account. Sharing session cookies transfers full account access without credentials. Treat cookies like passwords and never distribute them. Instead, secure your own account with a unique strong password and enable two-step verification right away. Regularly review devices signed into your account and revoke any unknown sessions. If you used a public computer, clear cookies and sign out to remove active sessions and protect your account. When using a shared or public browser, always clear cookies and site data after each session. Open your browser settings and remove Netflix cookies to end active sessions immediately. Use separate browser profiles tied to your account to avoid cross-account tracking. Configure cookie controls to block third-party cookies while allowing essential site cookies. Consider using a password manager to autofill credentials instead of storing them in cookies. These steps keep your viewing private and reduce exposure to credential theft or misuse. Protect your Netflix account by enabling two-step verification and using a unique strong password. Regularly review active devices and account settings and remove any unfamiliar entries. Use only official Netflix apps and keep them updated to reduce vulnerability to cookie theft. Avoid installing browser extensions from untrusted sources that can access cookies. If you suspect unauthorized access, change your password immediately and sign out of all devices from account settings. Contact Netflix support for assistance if problems persist.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.